man, that was awesome. Dang, that felt nice. Opportunity. Nice.
You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime.
It's like a roller coaster. I was waiting for it to just drop. Stay in this lane, probably. Yeah.
It's part of the contract when you sign to get the car at every bridge.
And that's stock, right?
Yeah, it's stock.
That's cool. I like it. Man, they did a good job. Good job. That's hilarious, man. Nice. That was awesome. Jeez. Now we gotta behave ourselves like good Adventist people. Alrighty, man. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah, no
that was really fun. Stay safe, okay? PJ, you're gonna have a blast.
So many cars. It's alright. I'm content. Just chilling. Enjoying the low rumble.
Floor it?
Yes. No! No! Don't floor it!
Floor it?
I have a feeling that if I had a car like this, or a motorcycle that was capable of doing those kinds of things, I could get myself into a whole bunch of trouble. It's a fun car, but that's fun, man. Thanks. No problem.